Most entrepreneurs and most leaders in the world are driving themselves from a nobody state. Not long ago, when I met a group of leaders, I asked them a question. Why do you want to create wealth? Because everybody wants to create wealth, right? The whole world wants to keep creating wealth. It's a good thing, but why do you want to create wealth? And different leaders gave me different answers. So some of the answers are, I do not want my family members to experience any kind of lack in their lives. I do not want to ever experience the lack I experienced in my childhood. And one man went on to say to the extent that I want to have everything safe for my wife, children, and for the next 3 generations. I don't know why it was stopped at 3, but it was 3 generations. Someone else said they wanted to prove to themselves, their parents, and to the society. And they wanted to prove because once upon a time they were treated badly. So what state do you think these people are driving themselves from? The obvious answer is fear. Every form of fear is about losing something. Right? You are afraid of losing wealth, afraid of losing success, afraid of losing love, afraid of losing beauty, afraid of losing position, power, status, afraid of losing fame. Whenever your mind sees the loss of any of these, you move into a state of fear. When you drive yourself from this state, then you may find some initial success, but you cannot create enduring success because your fear will communicate to the universal intelligence and draw bigger and bigger obstacles and challenges soon. You will either spiral down or live a mediocre life, merely keeping yourself afloat. To become free of this nobody state, you need to have a massive awakening in your consciousness. Whether you do business consultancy, constructing a dog shelter, or coaching leaders, or open a gallery, it must come from an awakened state of vision and purpose.